Alright, so the two things we need to do to this is we got to loosen this bolt, pull this pin so we can drop the tube out. And also, since you're converting this over, you got to get rid of the safety chains because they'll bind up. And the reason why you don't run safety chains with a fifth wheel kingpin style is because they say it's a more safer connection point. So we'll take those off and that tube off. So what's that look like? Inch and an eighth. Bet it's an inch and an eighth. It looks like it. Never had it off, I promise. We'll see if I'm right though. I suck at the big numbers, and I'm assuming it's American, so let's go in here. Inch and an eighth. See if we got, get a wrench. Inch and an eighth. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing broke loose. Alright, let's see if this fits. Aha. Ooh. Got it. Alright, let me set you guys up and we'll get this. Alright, so let's break loose this jam nut here. Oh, wow. Alright, get that broke loose. Loosen this bolt here. And it does say on here somewhere, screw nut torque is 75 to 100 foot-pounds. So we know what to torque it out when we're down here. We need to say we need to take it all the way out, but we did. So this stuff out of our way. Take our lock. Just go ahead and put it right there. Anything really to tap on it right here. Was it loud?
No. No, that come up.
Alright, so we got the tube out of there.
Huh?
Now let's set this aside, and we'll see if our... Alright, there's our new tube. So, I think really the only thing we need to do is you need to pay attention, because this is going to be orientated. So, see how it's got a lip? That's going to need to go to the front of the trailer. So that way when you're backing up onto your fifth wheel plate, it can catch and slide up underneath there. So let's I'm going to slide this thing clear up to the farthest setting, which is the bottom hole, and we'll... Come on, man. Can't go no lower. Come on. Cotter key was pretty tight. But ain't no turning back on it now. I mean, this is as high as we can get it. As long as it's not ridiculously out of whack. And you're good. Let me go grab a big torque wrench. Alright, so I got the torque wrench set at 75 right now. Alright, there's 75. Now let's put it at 100. There we are, we're at 100. Tighten our jam nut here. Alright. She's on there. Now let's work on popping these chains off.